Hi guys! Welcome to my class. Our topic for today is to solve and write subtraction equations. You're going to learn it here, the easy way. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe so that you will be kept updated on the next math lesson. Then, like and share so that you can also help other students. We are going to learn today how to solve subtraction equation using models. And we are going to learn also how to solve subtraction equation using the addition property of equality. Let us revise what is inverse operation. It is the opposite of the operation symbol. If the operation is subtraction, then the inverse is addition. Addition property of equality is to add the same quantity, number, or variable from both sides of the equation so that we can make the quantity equal from both sides of the equation. Let us work on this example so that you will be guided. Solve y minus 9 is equal to 4. Check your solution. Let us rewrite the expression so that we can work on it. Y minus 9 is equal to 4. We are going to use counters to represent the expression. Let us use counters to represent the numbers. And in this case, we're going to use the arrow. So, y minus 9 arrows is equal to 4 arrows. We are going to move the 9 arrows to the right side of the equation and change the negative symbol into positive. So, it will give us y is equal to 4 arrows plus 9 arrows. Therefore, y is equal to 13. To check if our answer is correct, we're going to replace the y by 13 arrows in the model. So, 13 arrows minus 9 arrows is equal to 4 arrows. Upon removing the 9 arrows from the 13 arrows, it will give us 4 is equal to 4. Therefore, our solution y is equal to 13 is correct. Let us work on another example so that you can understand the lesson well. Solve g minus 4 is equal to 5. Check your solution. Let us rewrite the expression g minus 4 is equal to 5 so that we can work on it. Let us represent a bar as letter G. Then we are going to subtract 4 from letter G, which will give us 5. If we are going to add 4 from both sides of the equation, we can cancel out the 4 on the left side and G will give us 4 plus 5. Therefore, G is equal to 9. To make the calculation easy for us, we're just going to add the 4 to the right side of the equation and it will give us g is equal to 9. To check if our answer is correct, we're going to subtract 4 from 9. And it will give us 5. Therefore, our answer g is equal to 9 is correct. On this regard, you have learned how to solve subtraction equation using models. Now, let us study how to solve subtraction equation using the addition property of equality. Let us work on the same example so that you can perfectly understand the lesson. Solve y minus 9 is equal to 4. Check your solution. We are going to rewrite the expression y minus 9 is equal to 4. You can see that there is a subtraction symbol. So, the inverse of subtraction symbol is addition. Therefore, we are going to apply the addition property of equality. We're going to add 9 to both sides of the equation. On this regard, you can cancel out the 9 on the left side of the equation. And it will give us 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. Therefore, y is equal to 13. To check if our solution is correct, let us rewrite the expression y minus 9 is equal to 4 again. Then, substitute the value of y in the given expression. Accordingly, it will give us 13 minus 9 is equal to 4. And we can come up with 4 is equal to 4. Therefore, our solution y is equal to 13 is correct. us work on the second example which was given by using model. Solve g minus 4 is equal to 5. Check your solution. Let us rewrite the expression g minus 4 is equal to 5. You can see that we have subtraction. So the inverse of subtraction is addition. We are going to apply the addition property of equality. We are going to add 4 on both sides of the equation. Correspondingly, we can cancel out the 4 on the left side of the equation. And we can add 4 to 5, which will give us g is equal to 9. To check if our solution is correct, let us rewrite the expression again. G minus 4 is equal to 5. Then, substitute the value of g in the given expression, and it will give us 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Correspondingly, we can come up with 5 is equal to 5. Therefore, our solution g is equal to 9 is correct. On this regard, we have met our goal for today's lesson. We have learned how to solve the subtraction equation using models. And we have learned also how to solve the subtraction equation using the addition property of equality. It is easy, right? To wrap it up in solving subtraction equation, we're going to apply the inverse operation. So we're going to add 4 and 5 in this case. That will give us 9. To check if our solution is correct, just substitute the value of the variable in the given expression. And if you come up with the value of the left side is equal to the right side, then our solution is correct. Moreover, if you are working on the subtraction equation, we're just going to apply the addition property of equality. Always do the inverse operation, and we can come up with the correct solution. Okay, it is easy. To conclude our lesson for today, I want you to always remember what His Highness Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan, may his soul rest in peace, wrote for us. Education is like a lantern which lights your way in a dark alley. Sheikh Zayed wrote and left this quote for us because he wanted the youth to give importance to education. His quote will handed down from generation to generation. Still, the genuine concern of Sheikh Zayed for his nation will always remain. And the pure desire of Sheikh Zayed's heart will surely be realized in the succeeding generation. And to wind up our lesson for today, I want you to always remember that life is a math equation. You cannot get the most of it if you cannot convert the negatives into positive. I do hope you have learned a lot for today's lesson and you find it easy, okay? Till next math lesson! Catch you later, guys! See ya! You can visit Math Brainiacs for more lessons, okay? See you there!